Hello, my wonderful busy homemakers, my wonderful friends. Today we are talking about confidence is the key, is why it is the key in home organizing. Why is confidence the key in home organizing? Now, have you ever procrastinated on a project at home? Like, for example, your desk that's cluttered with all the different paperwork and here and there, stuff like that. And you know you need to get that paperwork off your desk and you just don't want to do it. Well, confidence is the key in home organizing. Why? Why is confidence the key in home organizing? Well, let me give you a little story. Now, have you ever not been in the mood to say, go through your utensil drawer in the kitchen and you need to get it organized so that you know where everything is and put all your spatulas with spatulas, spoons with the spoons, etc., etc. And you're talking to your friend on your phone and your friend's like, oh, I'm busy today. I'm rearranging this, doing this, I'm cleaning, I'm getting it done. I'm putting this all back together because my husband messed it up and the kids messed it over here. I'm putting it back together. And you say to her, oh, I wish I had that energy. Now, little do you realize, chances are when you get off that phone, you're going to go in your kitchen, you're going to go look in your drawer, and you're going to start fiddling around with those utensils, putting them, making sure they're organized. Why is that? It's called a confidence boost. Confidence is the key in organizing because without it, say for example, you want to take swim lessons and you're taking the swim lessons and you're getting in the water, that's you got your confidence going for you. Now, when you don't want to take this, you know you should take the swim lessons, but you're not, your confidence is holding you back. But you know you need it and you know you need to do it. That's why confidence is a key in home organizing. If you're confident and happier, you're going to be willing to tackle those projects at home, from the small to the big. Small meaning taking 5 minutes, getting the paperwork off your desk, getting that done, putting it in the to-do pile or the to-be paid pile or the file pile. So you've got it done because you had the confidence to challenge it. Now, then you're thinking to yourself, I need to be in the mood to do my pantry, get that done, start getting organized at least one shelf. You're like, I think I better wait till the weekend so that maybe the kids are busy doing something else or with the friends. I can take an hour and get that started on that shelf. So, and then it comes the weekend, you're like, no, I don't have the confidence to do that. I don't want to do it. You've lost your confidence because it's a big project. Now, or you could turn that around and come Saturday and say, okay, I promised myself I'd do it. The kids are gone. I got that hour. I'm just going to tackle it. And you're categorizing, you're putting this there, you're checking the dates, tossing out the expired food and all that good stuff. And you've got that shelf done in the hour. Confidence. The confidence sneaks up on you so that you can get the job done. Now, sometimes you don't have the confidence to get that pantry done. And there's other ways to go about it. And one of them is, for example, my pantry course, the one that's all laid out for you. It tells you exactly, do this, this, this to get your pantry done, categorize this, label this, do that. And it's all easily laid out for you where you don't have to think about it. And then when you do it in the time frame you've got, You're like, oh, this looks magnificent. I love it. And then your husband comes home. Oh, honey, look at this one shelf I organized. Look how good this looks. I'm so happy. And then you're like, I can't wait to get to the second shelf. Sometimes we just need a little bit help, whether it's from a mini course, a video, a post, to get us to get that confidence to get it done. And confidence is the key in home organizing. We don't realize it in the back of our heads. We're not even thinking about the confidence. We're just thinking of, I got to get it done. I should get it done. I will get it done. Should get it done. You're playing the game with yourself, trying to toss the juggle, say which one is it going to be. So that is my tip for today. That is what I want to share to you. And I want to let you know, come March, in my group, Decluttering Life Tips and Inspiration, we're gonna hit it, rocking and rolling and running with spring cleaning, ladies. Get in the group now. Invite your friends if they want to start getting motivated to get in that spring cleaning mode. I know I've had it with the snow. I'm done with it. I've had my share already. 21 inches so far total this year only. I've had it. Get it out of here. Out, out, out. I'm ready to spring clean. I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for those tulips to pop out. And I hope I see you in my group. Don't forget, I have a chili recipe ebook. Now get that now, because come the end of February, it's going bye-bye. It's my free beef to you, but it's gonna be out of here come the end of February. Half of the February is already gone, ladies. All right, my wonderful friends, thank you so much, and I will see you in my group.